Today we're going to be teaching you how to make your own set of natural dyed napkins. So in a large pot I put 16 cups of water, and then I took a coffee filter and I packed it with paprika and then just tied it off, so I'm going to put that in the water. And then I had a bunch of onion skins, so I'm going to add this too. And then I'm just going to bring this mixture to a boil, and then once it's boiling I'm going to reduce it to a simmer and let it simmer for about 40 minutes. And then once it's been simmering for 40 minutes, you can either take it out and strain out all the onion skins and the paprika, or you can let it simmer, or you can let it take it off the heat and just let it sit for like 8 hours if you want a deeper color. But I'm going to strain mine out and then put the fabric in. Now I'm going to add back in the strained water into the pot, and then I'm going to take my pieces of fabric that are pre-wet, put it into the dye, and then I'm just going to simmer it for about an hour. So then after soaking for a few extra hours, I took it out, rinsed them out, and then let them dry overnight and just gave them a quick ironing. And now on the two shorter ends, I'm gonna pull some of the longer strings out to give it a frayed edge. And then once that's done, I will fold in and iron the edges and just quickly stitch along each of the sides.